Yo, what's up, baby? Baby, I just get up. Oh shit, it's almost like 8 o'clock. I gotta, go on the Uber app and try to catch a ride. It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning. I woke up, brushed my teeth, and then I combed my hair. Took a good shower so I can look so fresh and so clean for my girl, Misspassion. So I hopped in the Uber, went to the train station, hopped on the train station, all aboard. Then I got there about 8 hours later. Then I called another Uber. I told my baby to stay right there. She told me, I'm picking you up at this train station, but I told her to stay right there and I will be there, I promise. So I got off of the train and then I called the Uber and then I went straight to my baby girl. I'm glad I did not miss one moment of the train, 'cause when I was on the train I was listening to some music and I was thinking about us, girl, how I can make sweet love, and when I get there you're gonna be ready for me. And then the train kept on going, choo choo, choo choo, choo choo. And then I was fantasizing about our life, starting a new life with you, girl. I wanna be there all night and forever, so ever. It felt like it forever on the train. I waited patiently, had my headphones on, listened to some ODs, trying to get a hold of you. And then you picked up your phone. I said I will be there soon, just wait right there, don't go nowhere. So I finally got off of the train, called the Uber all away from your house, and then you saw me get out of the Uber, and then you walked up to me and kissed me, and then I kissed you, hold you tight, and we went in the house and make love all night. Now, I'm glad I made it, baby. I'm glad I made it. I'm glad I didn't miss that train. Yeah.